Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the fender flare kit for the Can-Am X3 from Tusk. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're talking to you Can-Am X3 owners out there. If you have one of these machines, a really nice accessory to add on is the fender flare kit from Tusk. These add 9 inches of width to the front and 6 inches to the rear. Now with this machine, it's especially important if you've added wheels that have a wider offset or even just larger aftermarket tires. I'm sure a lot of you experience this. You're out there having a good time, especially in muddy conditions. Next thing you know, you've got debris and mud flinging into the cab. Everyone's getting dirty. So if you want to help eliminate that and stay cleaner while you're driving, having a good time, and also just keep your machine cleaner and help protect the sides of it from rocks flying up and hitting it, that's what these are designed to do. These are made from a really hard, durable plastic. And like I said, they add a lot of width to the machine. A lot of riders just like the way these look too when they have these installed. And as far as the install process goes, it's simple. It's a job that anyone can do. It's going to use most of the factory locations that you already have on your fenders. There is some minor drilling required, but it's not a difficult task. Like I said, it's a job anyone can do. But again, if you have an X3 and you want to add some width to it to keep mud, debris, and other things slinging into the cab, keep it cleaner, this is what they're designed for. If you have questions or comments, we would like to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And to grab yours today, it's simple. Click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free. And just remember, these are machine specific, so just enter the year, make, and model of your Can-Am when you're picking yours up. You'll be good to go. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.